Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu states that his maternal aunt Hazrat Maimuna radiyallahu anha states that she places water near Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam for his taking a bath due to the state which necessitates a bath. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam first of all washed his both hands twice or thrice. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam taking water from the receptacle lived with left hand. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereafter rubbed his hands clean on the ground. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed the complete ablution. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then took water in cupped hands and poured the water on the head thrice. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam afterwards washed the whole body, and then moving aside, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam washed his both feet. I whereupon brought him a towel, but he sallallahu alaihi wasallam returned it. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 720.